How to view your Yelp advertising charges. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can view your Yelp advertising charges. You should know that when you carry out advertisements on Yelp, you are always charged some specific amount, and here is how you can view it. The first step is to visit your Yelp for Business website and log in using your business account credentials. Now, once you're logged into Yelp, move to Yelp for Business, click on it, and then click on login into business account. Once you're logged in, you'll be asked to provide your credentials. Ensure you provide them as soon as you can. After providing them, you'll be taken to your account page. So your business account page navigates to your Yelp ads dashboard. Okay. Now on this dashboard, you would find detailed information about your advertisement performance, about the charges, and other relevant metrics. Okay. So your Yelp ads detail your dashboard also provides insights such as the monthly spent, and the monthly spend, that is the total amount spent on your Yelp ads during a specific month. And also it also provides insight into the leads you get, the customers leads, the average cost per click, that is the cost you pay each time someone clicks on your ad, as well as the average cost per lead. And then once you check all of this, you can now use this insight to monitor your ad performance regularly. So you can now compare the cost per click with the revenue earned from customer visits to access the effectiveness of your ad. So this is how it works, okay? This is how you can view your Yelp advertisement charges. Major thing is to log in into your Yelp for Business account, navigate to your Yelp ad dashboard. From there, follow the on-screen prompt, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.